Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Alright, my name is Nanoue. Welcome here. If you're new, welcome. So yes, today we're gonna be talking about this palette of Amazon, you guys. The name of the palette is Love is Love. It's like a rainbow palette. It's really nice. As you can see, we have all these mattes, some shimmers, and then glitters. Alright, so we're gonna be doing something with this today. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna see. Alright. So yes, I'm gonna pack that green, not all over my leg, because we're gonna be doing a cut grease. I'm gonna try and do my thing as clean as possible, so we don't have to clean up much or whatever. So yeah, bear with me, you guys, because I can barely talk today. So yeah, now I'm going in with that purple right there. All right, I'm just gonna use it to deepen my grease, to add more definition. All right, so we're just gonna pack that on the green that we just used. All right, you guys, now let's talk about this palette for a minute. All right, like I said, I bought it off Amazon. It was like $7. Yeah, it was like 7. And you guys, this palette, for the price it's giving, all right, the shade are super pigmented and I love them. Now I'm going with this neon green, kind of neon green, just as my transition shade. All right, as you can see, it's really nice and smooth. So yes, you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, all right, please go ahead and subscribe. All right, be a part of the family. All right, so now I'm going back with the same green that I used earlier, just to add life back to the look, because as you can see, the green wasn't it's like it was on live support. So yes, let's just add more green. And you know, green is good, you gotta eat your greens, and we love our greens. All right, so now I'm using this cookie concealer. You can go ahead and use any eyeshadow base or whatever, or concealer like I just did. So yeah, now I'm gonna make sure my crease is smooth and all that. All right, because you gotta make sure it's smooth for a smoother application. All right, so yes, you guys, after I clean that up, I'm sorry, we're gonna be using like a 3-color combo for our cut crease. So I'm gonna go first with that red. Look at that pigment, you guys. All right, the first swipe, this is really pigmented. Like I said, for $7 it's giving. All right, so yeah, and you know, for color like red, yellow and all that, if you want them to pop more, you just gotta use like a brighter concealer or eye base. All right, like white or whatever. So yeah, now I'm going with the orange. I'm just gonna pack that in the middle. All right, and make sure you blend this color where they meet, so you can see the harsh line. You got to make sure it's well blended. And now I'm using that yellow in my inner corner. And you guys, at first I didn't know what I was gonna do. All right, it just, I know I wanted to use this palette, but I end up liking what I did, the look and all. I end up liking it. So yeah, now I went back with the same purple. I'm just gonna use that in the outer corner, just to deepen, you know, we need that definition. All right, we need it. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. All right, you could have used a deep brown, black or whatever, but I end up using the purple because I wanted to use the palette alone. All right, and I went and do my face off camera, add some lashes and some white liner to make the look more pop. Okay, so yeah, now the lip combo, you guys, it was just a dark brown pencil and some concealer, and I end up loving it. All right, so yes, you guys, if you want to get this palette, like I said, I bought it off Amazon. and it was like $7. I'm sure you guys get it now because I've been saying that the entire video. So yes, you guys, this is the final look. All right, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any comment. And like I said, this voiceover was all over the place, so if you're still here, all right, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you loves in my